Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, welcome in another lecture or tutorial of MongoDB. Let's start. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you how to create databases in Mongos. So as usual, go to bin directory and I have created a bat file as I shown you in first lecture. Then run this MongoDB server. After this server will run, as we are seeing that this is running on this, then we go to command prompt and here Mongo. Now my prompt is here. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create databases, how to show databases. So there is a command. First of all, we have to use show databases. Databases. Okay, and run. So this command display the number of databases you have created in MongoDB. As you have seen that 4 databases are there: admin, config, dvk and local. So if you want to create your own databases, so there is a simple method you can use and MyDB. So by this command, what it will do, first of all, if this MyDB is already present, then it will use this database. If is not already present, as we have seen that MyDB is not present here. So just use MyDB and press enter. It will, what it will do, first of all, it will create MyDB databases and switch to MyDB. As you see, show databases. Now my database will create only when I will save some data in MyDB. So MyDB, use MyDB, switch to MyDB means database have been created but is not physically present on hard disk. Why? Because we are not saving any data. So if we save some data like this, db dot, and next is my collection, means collection name. As we have seen that collection is equal to table in MongoDB. So give the table name. So I have given here student and insert. Insert is a command for inserting a document in MongoDB. So we have to give object a JSON format like this. So we give name, key and value pair. As we know, we have read JSON also, and name is Rahul or my name Vipin. So as we do this and press enter, so one record have been inserted. If I show you now databases, so it will show you MyDB. So MyDB is here because I have inserted a record. So simple command to create a database, use database. If again I will do use MyDB, so it will use MyDB. It would not create a new one, because if database is already created, so this command would not create any database. If database is not created, then it will create a new database. So now we can you create one, and if you want to use another database, just give use and admin. So issues to admin and show collections. For showing collections, if tables are available, tables are equivalent to collections here. So we having database, as we have seen that show databases, there are so many databases are. If we want to delete this MyDB, so there is a command. First of all, use MyDB, this command, then db dot drop database, dropped. Okay, if I say show databases now, so sorry, spelling is wrong, databases. So now MyDB is not present because MyDB have been deleted. So for creating a new database, we have a command use and give the database name. If database is not already present, it will create database. If is already present or have been created earlier, then it will switch to that database, or you can delete this also. Okay, that's all, and we will meet in next lecture.